Hey everyone, it's Kim Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here with something super exciting and happy. I got some lovely happy mail today from my dear friend Shirley Harrington. Hey Shirley, it came, and I'm really excited. Now, she had sort of told me that she wanted to send me some junk jewelry, so I'm assuming that's what's in here. So I've just cut it open. I haven't peeked. I don't know what's in here. So let's see. It is heavy. Okay, there we go. And she's wrapped it up in some lovely vintage pattern paper, which who cannot use that? Oh my gosh. Oh, Shirley. Oh my goodness. Let me just get that out of the way and check my little letter here. Oh. Oh, it says, "Hey Kim, here is the junk jewelry I promised, along with a few other things I thought you could incorporate into a journal or whatever else they may inspire you to do. With your creativity, it could be anything and be stunning. Take care, hug Shirley, aka Cliff Folger on YouTube. See you there." Yes, you will. Oh, Shirley, you are just the sweetest. Just the sweetest. My cat just came in here and knocked some stuff over. Okay. Let me just move this here. Sorry about that. Okay, so let me put the letter to one side and see what's here. There's a little bag here, and it says flower shop on it. Now, oh my gosh, it's soap. Oh wow, did you make this? It's called from Lady of the Lake ink, and it's handmade soap, but look at the flowers in it. Oh, that's so cool. It smells lovely. And that's where it's from. And there's a website, I believe, underneath there, yeah, or email. Thank you for that, Shirley. Oh, that's so cool. I love handmade soap and the beautiful little silver bag. Thank you so much for that. That is so sweet. So this is the jewelry. So maybe I'll do that last and we'll see what is here. This is a lovely, I love this bag. Oh, she sent me some postcards. Idlewild, California. Look at that. Oh, wow. I love postcards. Yes, I'm definitely going to use that in a journal. Thank you so much. I love that. So pretty. And you know what? That looks like Canada. Not right now. The snow's gone, but it does remind me of here with the pine trees and the snow. Yep, that looks like here. It's funny how places remind you of home that aren't your home. Oh, that's so sweet. And here's another little card. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at this card. That's hilarious. Oh my gosh. It says, "It all makes sense now. I never looked at it this way before. Mental illness, menstruation cramps, mental breakdown, menopause, gynecologist. And when we have real trouble, it's a hysterectomy. Ever notice how all of women's problems start with men?" That is hilarious. I love that. Thank you so much, Shirley. I love it. That's cool. Thank you so much, Shirley. I love it. I love it. Okay, now let's see what this is. This has a beautiful necklace tied around it. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Let me undo that first. I think I'm going to end up ripping the tissue paper, but that's okay. She has taped this down beautifully, and there's some gorgeous dangle trim here too. So let me get this off. My gosh, I can't wait. This is so beautiful. Okay. First of all, let's look at this gorgeous dangle trim, and I will take all these bits of tape off later. Oh, it came off. Look at that. That's beautiful, Shirley, and I'm going to use that on a project that I actually am working on. I think that would be the perfect trim. It's gorgeous. Okay, so there's the trim, and she sent me this very beautiful necklace, which I'll take the tape off in a minute on there, but look at, it's all rose quartz. Now, did you make that, Shirley? Because that is just stunning and beautiful. I love it. Wow, that's gorgeous. And I have to go out tomorrow, so I think I'll wear that. Oh, thank you so much. I love that. You're so sweet. Oh my goodness. Now, what could this be? I have no idea. Oh my gosh, Shirley. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Oh wow, look at. Oh, that is just stunning. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. I love this image. And she's got it on this satin piece here. Now, I don't know what this was originally, but it's beautiful. And it's got this beautiful vintage looking lace all around it here. And then she's done this beautiful lady here with crocheted trim and some dangles and pearls and appliques. And look at this beautiful lace here. And another beautiful one under here. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Wow. And I will have the link to Shirley's channel down below so you guys can go over and sub to her. But look at how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh, I'm so hanging that up. Oh, I love it. Oh, what a wonderful keepsake that is. It is just gorgeous. I love it. I love the colors. I love everything about it. I think you've avocado dyed this too. This trim here that you've done around it. Now see, that is a dangle trim. And she's trimmed the dangle parts off of that and made a trim out of it, which is very clever. And then she's got dangles here on the side. And some crochet trim. Little eyelet here. Beautiful sequin and pearl flower there. That is just gorgeous. I love it. That's paper. I've never seen that image before either. I love her. She's beautiful. And a butterfly, of course. You know I love butterflies. Oh, Shirley, thank you so much. That is just beautiful. Really gorgeous. I love it. Thank you so much. Okay, so now we're going to get into the junk jewelry, which I'm very excited about. So Shirley had contacted me a while ago and said she wanted to send me some jewelry, so I'm super excited about this. Oh my goodness, this is like beyond anything that I even have. Oh my gosh, look at this. Beautiful bag again. I love these hearts. Okay, these are earrings. Oh, those are fantastic. Look at those 3 dangling hearts. Beautiful. And then there's the other one here. And then she's got 2 sand dollar earrings. Right there. There. Super pretty. And then there is some turquoise. I think that's attached through the heart there. Beautiful turquoise, which I love turquoise, one of my favorites. So thank you very much for that. And then there's a set of these beautiful black, like onyx earrings. Now, these look like they've been made as well. So I don't know if Shirley made these. If you did, I'm not going to be using them. I'm going to be wearing them. They're gorgeous. I love them. Beautiful. Thank you so much. And then this very large bag full of yumminess. Oh, wow. Look at this. Wow. Now that's got lots of gemstones on it. It's got jade right there. I can tell that's jade. Or adventurine, one or the other. Kind of looks like jade. Oh, I love this. This is gorgeous. Wow. Amazing. Thank you, Shirley. Oh, and here is the necklace that matches the earrings. Very cool. Thank you so much. Just want to make sure I'm in shot here. And OMG, look at this. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, let me just get that. Oh, that's amazing. Look at this. Wow. And it's blue. I love it. That is gorgeous. Oh, I love that. Oh my gosh, this is too good. You know, chop up. Oh, I love this. Okay, let's see where we're at here. It'll take me a second to get this all untangled here. It came from a long way away. So it got tousled around in the mail. There we go. I love this. Very boho. I love that. Gorgeous. It's got the beads on it. I love the chain. Oh, that's fantastic. Thank you, Shirley. And then we have... Now, what is that hooked on? Oh, that's a magnet. That's why. Oh, I love it. That's a bracelet. Yes to that. Look at that. Gorgeous. I love it. I love starfish. I might just wear that. I think that just goes in there. Yeah, it does. Oh, I don't know if it's the magnet has given up there or not, but we'll see. Yeah, I don't think it's going to stay. But anyway, it's beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much for that. Just gorgeous. And then, oh, somebody's calling me. Just a sec. That would be my friend Mary. Hang on 1 minute. Never fails. So we have this one here, another beautiful turquoise stone. I love it. Okay. And then here's an earring she sent, and I think that might be caught on there somehow. I'm not sure how that comes off, but we'll figure it out. Okay. So we've got this beautiful necklace here. That is gorgeous, and there's an earring on there. I don't know. I don't think that's supposed to be part of the necklace. I don't think so. Could be. We'll see. This is just gorgeousness, Shirley. Look at this. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. I love green. I love blue. It's just beautiful. Oh, wow. And here's another bracelet. Look at this one. Let's put that on. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is just beautiful, Shirley. Oh my goodness, these are all amazing. Amazing. my gosh. Thank you so very, very much, Shirley. This is so appreciated. I can't even tell you. It couldn't have come at a better time, to be honest. Yeah. So thank you so much, my dear friend. And please go over and subscribe to Shirley. You can see this lady has so much talent, and this means the world to me that I've got a piece of your art now in my room. And I will definitely be hanging this up and thinking of you when I look at it. I just love it. It's so beautiful. So thank you so much for such a touching gift, and definitely a good chuckle here. So thank you for that too. Love the postcard. I love everything that you sent. You are just a sweetheart, and thank you so much. And I will be back, guys, with another video because I've got some entries, so I'm going to try and get them filmed tonight. And that's it for now. Please go over and sub to our Shirley and see all her talents. And I will be back soon. Thank you, Shirley, so much. Mwah! Talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.